share screen. Last class we discussed about protein synthesis inhibitor antibiotics and how it will be protein synthesized and how it will be inhibit the protein. Basically discuss about this matter, but today discuss about the different antibiotics which are inhibit the protein synthesis in case of bacteria and others microorganisms. Especially last class I discussed about the details, but today I discuss about the just small portion. This is the just like a mRNA sequence. This is the mRNA sequence in the 30S ribosome. Then mRNA, this is the sequence for the decimate, arginine, glycine, serine. These are the sequence, and then finally this is the this is triplet code is called the codon, and this mRNA tRNA will come. This is the codon and this is the anticodon. They are anticodon AU, UA, CG. This is the just as per the base pairing rule of Chargaff, the AU and UA and GC. And generally, in case of protein synthesis, in case of protein synthesis, in case of the prokaryotic, first starting codon is the methionine. But in case of prokaryotic, is the formilated methionine or F-met, formilated methionine. Then another codon and they carry the amino acid F-met. Actually, this codon recognize the anticodon of tRNA. This is the mRNA sequence and this is the tRNA sequence. This mRNA bind with the tRNA and recognized by the anticodon. This codon is called the anticodon and this is called the codon. This codon and anticodon matching then, and this complementary amino acid which is bind with the amino A site, amino acid bind that it contains AUAC. AUG actually code, it is a code for methionine, and they are anticodon the UAC which carry must be methionine. And that type it depend upon this. Suppose this is arginine, that arginine their anticodon part is the C, that means GCG, GCG codon must become, and they carry arginine. So ultimately, methionine, arginine, glycine, serine, proline, and threonine. Finally, one amino acid sequence there are arginine, glycine, serine, and proline as per the binding with the mRNA with particular tRNA, 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 and tRNA. Clear? Any doubt? Just like it is a sequence for amino acid. Actually, this sequence given by the DNA in the form of mRNA. And how it will be formed? There will be attachment of the tRNA that carry the specific amino acid, then bind with this one amino acid to another amino acid by the peptide bond or peptidal transferase. One is the enzymes. It is 8% clear or not? Any doubt? Next. These are the amino acid. If the different types of amino acid come, there is a faulty amino acid and there is a chance of different misfolding or misleading, and there is some different types of disease will be occurred. Say for example, sickle cell anemia, such type of disease, which is due to the position number 6, the glutamic acid is replaced by the valine because their code is very similar to, only the third codon is the different. Another first is the aminoglycoside. Under this class, aminoglycoside specifically, it is bind with the 30S ribosomes, and streptomycin in the 1944, actinomyces, streptomyces griseus is the source, and the bacterial antibiotic interfere with the protein synthesis used to treat the aerobic gram positive bacteria, and resemble with the mechanism of action and pharmacokinetic, therapeutic, and toxic property, and relative the low margin of safety. Be careful, relative low margin of safety level is low. Exhibit the ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity and other toxicity. Systemic is the streptomycin, systematic and topical use. Streptomycin, gentamicin, kanamycin, amikacin, histone, tobramycin, netilmycin, and topical is neomycin and phragmycin, which are used as the powder as well as the ointment. And what are the mechanism of action? Initially, they penetrate the bacterial cell wall to reach the periplasmic space through which the porine channel or passive diffusion by the porine channel by the purine channel by the passive diffusion, and then further transport across the cytoplasmic membrane takes place by the active transport. How do you know the active transport? Especially active transport means it is the lower concentration to higher concentration gradient, and energy will be required. That is called the active transport by the proton pump and oxygen dependent process, by which this is the purine channel. In this end, the drug will be enter into the inside the cell wall of the cell, then go through the ribosome. Here also same, there the penicillin binding protein, and the mechanism action, it binds to the 30S ribosomes. Subunit interfere with the initial complex and induce the misreading. আগের দিন বলেছিলাম misreading মানে জাস্ট রিডিংটা, ধরো এই যে সিকোয়েন্সটা আছে AUG, এটি যে কোড ফর মিথিওনাইন, বাট এটা জাস্ট রিড করতে ভুল করলো, মিথিওনাইনের জায়গায় অন্য কিছু চলে অন্য কিছু এসে যাবে ডিউ টু অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন অফ অ্যামাইনোগ্লাইকোসাইড অ্যান্টিবায়োটিক and induce the misreading of the genetic code on mRNA. মানে এইটা যে অ্যাকচুয়াল রিডিং, যেমন দেখালাম একটু আগে, ওই রিডিংটা, এই যে ফ্রেম রিডিংটা রিড করতে দেবে না, অ্যাকচুয়াল রিড করতে দেবে না। ধরো তোমাকে আমি চাইলাম একটা লাইন দিলাম, লাইনে একটা অংশ ওটা অস্পষ্ট করে দিলাম, তার মানে তুমি ঠিক মতো রিড করতে পারবে না, মানেটা বুঝতে পারবে না। এটাই হচ্ছে এই অ্যান্টিবডিটার ফাংশন, যে করে যার ফলে কি এই রিডিংটা মিস্টেক হবে আর আলটিমেটলি উল্টো অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড সিকোয়েন্স হবে, আলটিমেটলি ফলস প্রোটিন তৈরি হয়ে যাবে। ইন্ডিউস দ্য মিসরিডিং অফ জেনেটিক কোড অফ mRNA and break up the polysomes into the monosomes. Post antibiotic effect, aminonucleoside exhibit the concentration depend upon the concentration. They have also the significant post antibiotic effect, post antibiotic after use, and singly daily dose at least as effective as and no more toxic than the multiple dosing. And mechanism of resistance, synthesis of the plasmid mediated bacterial transferase enzyme and with the aminoglycoside. What is the synthesis of the plasmid? How it will be resistant? This is a very tough procedure. আমি বলেছিলাম অ্যান্টিবায়োটিক যেদিন শেষ হবে লাস্ট ডে, I discuss about the how to resistance grow on the different antibiotics on the different microorganism. In case of, just you can remember it, the plasmid, there is a plasmid mediated resistance. Plasmid, what is plasmid? One minute. হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম, গুড মর্নিং। প্রবলেম আছে তো সফটওয়্যার হাতে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ না, আমাকে পাঠায়নি, তাহলে স্বর্ণজিতের কাছেও থাকতে পারে। ঠিক আছে, কি করতে হবে বলুন? ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ তাহলে ঠিক আছে, ওকে। সাড়ে 36। তো হিয়ার প্লাসমিড হচ্ছে সার্কুলার এক্সট্রা ক্রোমোজোম, সার্কুলার ডিএনএ, the extra chromosomal circular DNA, and that produced by the bacteria, and that is resistant to the aminoglycoside. That's why synthesis of plasmid mediated bacterial transferase. Just you simply only term what is the plasmid. Plasmid only the extra chromosome, and which is circular in nature and which is resist against the aminoglycoside and ultimately the inactivate the aminoglycoside antibiotic. Number 2, decrease the transport into the bacterial cytosol. Decrease with purine channel, that will be decreased, and deletion and alteration of the acceptor protein on 30S ribosomal unit by mutation and prevent the attachment. This is the mechanism of resistance. এটা পরীক্ষা আসবে না তোমাদের জন্য না, কিন্তু just you know it how to resistance, and I details about in the last class of the antibiotic. Antibacterial spectrum, this is very important, এইগুলো মনে রাখতেই হবে। Primarily against the gram negative and aerobic bacilli, posterior, pseudomonas, E. coli, enterobacteria, klebsiella and shigella. Actually দেখো কতগুলো নাম মনে রেখে দাও, তারপরে দেখবে সব মনে থাকবে, কিন্তু ইনিশিয়ালি প্রত্যেকটা নাম খটোমটো রয়েছে, বাট ইউ ক্যান রিমেম্বার ফিউ নেমস, 25-30টা নাম মুখস্থ করে নাও, তারপরে দেখবে ওর মধ্যে কমনই থাকবে। অনলি দ্য ফিউ গ্রাম পজিটিভ কক্কি স্ট্যাফাইলোককাস অরিয়াস, স্ট্রেপ্টোককাস ভিরিডিয়ান্স আসলে তোমাদের তো মাইক্রোবায়োলজি নেই, এটাই হচ্ছে প্রবলেম। নট এফেক্টিভ এগেইনস্ট দ্য গ্রাম পজিটিভ অ্যান্ড গ্রাম নেগেটিভ ব্যাসিলি অ্যান্ড গ্রাম নেগেটিভ কক্কি অনারোবিক। এই যে গ্রাম পজিটিভ ব্যাকটেরিয়া রড, ব্যাসিলি, ব্যাসিলাস, গ্রাম কক্কি মাঝে মধ্যে একটু উলটপালট করলেও কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না, ফার্মাকোলজি লোক খুব একটা বুঝতে পারবে না, যদিও মানে চেষ্টা করো না, কিন্তু হয়ে গেলেও কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না। নেক্সট ফার্মাকোকাইনেটিক, especially the pharmacokinetic of the highly polar basic drug. Basically it is the polar, that means water soluble and the basic in nature, poor oral absorption, and the administration parenterally is very good, streptomycin and others aminoglycoside, and applied locally also. Neomycin is a neosporin powder, Nivasol powder, which is very popular powder for the in case of the wound healing, and poorly distributed and poorly protein bounded drug. The volume of distribution is poor and the protein bounding is very poor. That is very better for therapeutic concentration or greater concentration in the target of action or the site of action, and do not undergo any significant metabolism, and nearly all by intravenous dose is excreted unchanged in the form of in the urine, and dose adjusted is needed in the renal insufficiency. If the renal insufficiency, that's damage of the renal, in that case dose will be adjusted. If higher or lower dose can be adjusted if the renal damage. The pharmacokinetic IV, and the dose not penetrate into the CNS, do not penetrate into the CNS. CNS এ কোনো penetration হয় না, just unchanged in the form of excretion aminoglycoside. And if the renal clearance, only the pathway by which the drug will be excreted by this pathway, so their dose can be calculated. The dose will be adjusted by the if the renal is damaged. The clinical use: gram positive bacilli infection, septicemia, pelvic abdominal sepsis, and bacterial endocarditis. এতগুলো যদি নাম মনে থাকে, জাস্ট কিছু নাম মনে রাখলেই হবে। এন্টেরোকক্কাস, স্ট্যাফাইলোকক্কাস ইনফেকশন, নিউমোনিয়া, টিউবারকুলোসিস এর হিউজ যেগুলো কমন, the plague, varicella, and the neomycin, phaeomycin infection in the conjunctiva, in the conjunctiva, external ear, and the sterilization to the bowel, and patient in the receiving the immunosuppression therapy before the surgery in case of hepatic coma. Suppose in case of the organ transplantation, kidney, heart, or other liver transplant, at that before a transplant, around 2 to 3 months their immunosuppression therapy will be done. So in that case, because to adjust to adapt the foreign kidney or liver or foreign organ, because when a foreign body introduced into their body, automatically the body can reject. That is autogenicity, mean automatically they can reject it. But when their immunity power will be less or reduced, you can just adjust. যেমন কি তোমার যদি খুব খারাপ অবস্থা থাকে, তখন তোমাকে যা বলবে তুমি শুনে নেবে, কারণ তোমার পাওয়ার তখন নেই। কিন্তু যদি পাওয়ার থাকে, পাওয়ারফুল থাকে, তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে তোমাকে যা বলবে শুনবে না। সেইরকমই জিনিসটা করা হয় যখন অর্গান ট্রান্সপ্লান্ট করা হয়, তার আগে তার ইমিউনিটি পাওয়ারটাকে কমিয়ে দেওয়া হয়, যাতে ফরেন পার্টিকেলটাকে অ্যাকসেপ্ট করে নিতে পারে। Am I clear? That is called the immunosuppression therapy. Otherwise you cannot মানে অ্যাডজাস্ট করবে না অ্যান্টিজেন অ্যান্টিবডি রিঅ্যাকশন, যেহেতু এটা ফরেন পার্টিকেল, অ্যান্টিজেন অ্যান্টিবডি রিঅ্যাকশন করে পেশেন্টের ডেথও হয়ে যাবে। Shear toxicity like ototoxicity. This is very common, and generally 8 cranial nerve will be or vestibular damage or cochlear damage, and nephrotoxicity, muscular blockage, and skin rash. যদি না জানে শুধু টার্মগুলো বললেই এনাফ। অটোটক্সিসিটি, নেফ্রোটক্সিক কিডনি ড্যামেজ হয় and paralyze in case of neuromuscular blockage, and the skin rashes, this type of rashes will come after the use of aminoglycoside. This is the ototoxicity, impairment of the 8 cranial nerves function and may be irreversible. This is very important toxicity of aminoglycoside, and cochlear damage, hearing loss, and tinnitus. Tinnitus মানে ringing in the ear, hair loss, hearing loss মানে কানে শুনতেও নাও পেতে পারে। আরেকটা হচ্ছে tinnitus মানে কানের মধ্যে একটা ভঁ ভঁ করে আওয়াজ, আমরা যেটা বাংলায় বলে থাকি ringing in the ear, that is called tinnitus. And more with the neomycin, amikacin, and the kanamycin. And vestibular damage, vertigo, imbalance in the ataxia, loss of balance, and more with the streptomycin and gentamicin. And tobramycin has both types of toxicity, and netilmycin claimed to have a low ototoxicity. Nephrotoxins, gentamicin, amikacin, and tobramycin are the more toxic than the streptomycin, and responsible for the 10 to 15% of the renal failure cases, and reversible if the drug promptly discontinued, decrease GRM, the glomerular filtration rate, increase the secretion of creatinine, and decrease clearance of the antibiotic, and increase the ototoxicity. Neuromuscular blockage. I mean, I tell you the details, but not details. Just first slide is enough for your toxicity. This is enough. You can remember it is just. But I details for your remember. And nephrotoxicity, gentamicin, amikacin, tobramycin, responsibility ঠিক আছে এটা তো আছে neuromuscular blockage cause the AMN junction মানে AMN receptor NN receptor junction blockage and displacing the calcium from the NM junction, and by blocking post synaptic NM receptor and blocking the acetylcholine release from the motor nerves, and neomycin and streptomycin more propency, and the tobramycin least likely to be comparatively less in case of the tobramycin, and myasthenia, that is the myasthenia gravis weakness increased by the drugs. Streptomycin, ribosomal resistance develop fast and limited usefulness and as a single agent plague resistance, and due to the streptomycin's virulence and facilence with the reverse fast drugs. Then this is the next day we discuss about the chloramphenicol. Is the macrolide antibiotic. Next day I discuss with you, because there is one problem regarding the examination.